Montreal Botanical Garden, one of the largest and most renowned botanical gardens in the world, is a vibrant oasis in the heart of Montreal, Canada. Established in 1931 by Brother Marie Victorin, a passionate botanist, the garden spans 75 hectares and is home to an extraordinary collection of over 22,000 plant species. It serves not only as a place of beauty and relaxation, but also as an important center for research, education, and conservation. One of the most popular attractions within the Montreal Botanical Garden is the Chinese Garden, which offers an immersive experience into the culture and horticultural traditions of China. Designed in collaboration with experts from the Shanghai Botanical Garden, this garden features traditional Chinese architecture, a tranquil lake, and exquisite plants such as bonsai and penjing. The Lantern Festival, held annually in the Chinese Garden, is a highlight for visitors, where the garden is illuminated by hundreds of colorful lanterns, creating a magical atmosphere that celebrates Chinese art and culture. The garden's layout, which includes a series of thematic gardens and greenhouses, provides visitors with a unique opportunity to explore diverse ecosystems and plant communities from around the globe. The Alpine Garden at Montreal's Botanical Garden is a remarkable showcase of plant species adapted to the harsh conditions of mountainous regions. This specialized garden mimics the rocky, well-drained soils and cool climates found in alpine environments, offering a unique opportunity to explore the resilient beauty of these plants. Visitors can marvel at an array of low-growing shrubs, perennials, and cushion plants, many of which are rare and difficult to cultivate outside their native habitats. In addition to the cultural gardens, the Montreal Botanical Garden is known for its extensive collection of greenhouses, which house plants from tropical, subtropical, and desert climates. These greenhouses allow visitors to explore environments vastly different from Montreal's natural climate, that are from lush rainforests to arid deserts. The tropical rainforest greenhouse, for instance, is filled with exotic plants like orchids, bromeliads, and ferns, while the desert greenhouse features a stunning array of cacti and succulents. These controlled environments not only showcase the diversity of plant life, but also play a crucial role in the garden's research and conservation efforts. The Montreal Botanical Garden is more than just a collection of plants. It is a hub of scientific research and environmental education. The garden's research programs focus on plant biology, conservation, and sustainable horticultural practices. The First Nations Garden, inaugurated in 2001, is a deeply meaningful addition to Montreal's Botanical Garden, dedicated to celebrating the cultural and botanical heritage of Indigenous peoples of Canada. This garden is designed to reflect the traditional landscapes and plant species significant to First Nations communities, including medicinal plants, sacred trees, and those used for food and crafts. The garden is not only a place of beauty, but also a space for education and reflection, offering insights into the deep connection between Indigenous peoples and the land. Adjacent to the Chinese Garden is the Japanese Garden, another beloved feature of the Montreal Botanical Garden. This garden, inspired by the principles of Japanese landscaping, offers a serene environment with elements such as a Zen garden, a koi pond, and carefully pruned trees and shrubs. The Japanese pavilion showcases traditional tea ceremonies, bonsai displays, and other cultural practices, providing visitors with a deeper understanding of Japanese horticulture and philosophy. The Japanese Garden is particularly beautiful during the fall, when the leaves of the maples and other trees turn vibrant shades of red and orange. Educational programs, workshops, and events are offered year-round, attracting visitors of all ages and fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Whether it's through a quiet stroll among the themed gardens, participation in a hands-on workshop, or simply enjoying the seasonal displays, the Montreal Botanical Garden offers something for everyone, making it a cherished institution in the city of Montreal.